High-Definition Multimedia Interface, or HDMI, is a compact audio-visual interface for transmitting digital data between equipment, such as satellite television receivers, or a digital media player and a television screen. With the explosion of such equipment, HDMI cables have become increasingly prevalent. One problem noted with HDMI cables is a susceptibility to poor or incomplete connections due to the cable coming loose from movement or vibration of the audiovisual equipment. This problem can be costly. For instance, service providers may deploy a technician to consumers' homes to resolve loss of picture complaints that turn out to be loose connections at an HDMI port. All Systems Broadband's Increased Retention Connector, or IRC, addresses this issue while preserving the integrity of electronic equipment. Unlike other proposed solutions, the IRC does not lock onto the delicate components within the consumer's equipment. Rather, its design brings the connector as close as possible to the retention strength defined in the HDMI.org specification without exceeding it. In this way, the IRC provides the highest level of protection against inadvertent pullout, while staying true to accepted industry standards designed to protect expensive equipment. The IRC technology is available on HDMI cables manufactured by All Systems Broadband and may be licensed for use by others seeking a secure, standards-compliant HDMI connection.